how to turn on text message vibration on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, to turn on text message vibration, you'll have to go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. There, scroll down and make sure system haptics is toggled on, and then come back and then go to notifications, and there scroll down and search for messages. So once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down, go to sounds, and here go to haptics again. And if it's set to default, you'll have to choose some of the standard tones here to turn on the vibration. So you can choose any of the given standard tones, and that's it. Now you'll feel text message vibration on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.